trying this. Who? Epic just answered this. Okay, where? This is what I try, and it says it's me. How could it that be me? Why this? We're gonna ignore that sound next. This is her, and I tried. I forgot to record, and this is who the fuck is Sugar? Who is Sugar herself? Oh my god. This is her, and I don't know, and she just literally, I don't know what to explain this. But why would she love her enemy? This one is him, and oh my, I took so long to be curious about him, and I'm not talking about the back from behind, and I don't know who the cookie cat is. Oh my, last but not least, and it's just very fast, and I will never explain that why it's me.